Hello friends, today we will discuss about Python. So let's get started. Python is an interpreted high-level and general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant whitespace. Its language construct and object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear logical code for some and larger scale projects. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, particularly procedural, object oriented, and functional programming. Python is often described as a better included language due to its comprehensive standard library. Python was cleared in the late of 1918 as a successor of ABC language. Python 2.0, released in 2000, introduced features like list comprehensions and a garbage collection system with a reference counting. Python 3.0, released in 2008, was a major revision of the language that is not completely backward compatible and much Python 2 code does not run unmodified on Python 3. The Python 2 language was officially discounted in 2020, first planned for 2015, and Python 2.7.18 is the last Python 2.7 release and therefore the last Python 2 released. No more security patches or other improvement will be released for it. With Python 2 seconds end of life, only Python 3.6 into 33 and later was supported. Python interpreters are available for many operating systems. A global community of programmers develop and maintains CPython, a free and open source reference implementation, a non-profit organization. The Python Software Foundation manages the direct source resources for Python and CPython development. So guys, this was the basic information about the Python. You can subscribe my channel for more content as related to Python and another technological information. Thank you.